so this pattern calls for a multiple of 6. So that means you will chain 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 until you reach your desired width. Okay, so to begin, we are going to do a single crochet, the first chain right there. And chain 3. We're going to skip 3 chains. I can see what I'm doing. Okay, skip 3 chains. Then you're going to do 3 single crochets in a row, or in the next 3 chains. I do not like foundation rows. Some are very difficult to do when you don't have anywhere to hold them. Okay, so then you're going to chain 3, and again skip 3 chains, and then do 3 single crochets together. No, not together. In a row. Like that. So then again, chain 3, skip 3 chains, 3 single crochets in a row. And that's the foundation row. So then when you're at the end, you're going to chain 3. You're going to skip 1, 2, 3. And then the last 2 stitches right here, or chains, you're going to do 2 single crochets in each one. Okay. That's the foundation row. So row number 2, you're going to chain 1, and then you're just going to jump to this chain 3 space and do 5 double crochets. Yarn splits. Then at the middle of these single crochets, you're going to do a single crochet. And then in the next space, you're going to do 5 double crochets. And again, single crochet in the middle of these single crochets. And then in this very last space, you're going to do your 5 double crochets. Two, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to do a single crochet on the top of the single crochet below. Okay, and that's row number 2. So row number 3, you're going to chain 3, and you're going to skip this first double crochet, and then the next 3 double crochets, you're going to do 3 single crochets. Chain 3, and again, skip this double crochet, and then the next 3 double crochets, you do single crochets. Chain 3, again, do your 3 single crochets, and that is row number 3. So once you're at the end, you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to single crochet on top of the chain 1, which is kind of hard to see as long as it's straight. And oh yeah, as long as it's straight, it's fine. So that's row number 3. So row number 4, chain 3, and in that same stitch right here in this first one, this right here, you're going to chain. You're going to do 2 double crochets. Then you're going to do a single crochet in the middle of these single crochets. Then you're going to do your 5 double crochets in the next space. single crochet in the middle of the single crochets. Do your 5 double crochets in the next space. And again, your single crochet in the middle of these. So once you're at the end, you are going to do on the top of this chain 3 from below, you're going to do 3 double crochets in that same chain. Okay. So that's row number 4. Row number 5, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to do a single crochet right here in this, not in this first one, but this next one right here. Then you're going to chain 3, and again, skip this first double crochet and do 3 double crochet, single crochets in a row. Chain 3. Your next set of single crochets, and that's row number 5. So you just go on, and then at the end you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to do a single crochet on this last double crochet, and then a single crochet on the top of the chain. And that's it. So that's row number 5. So the repeat words are 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you just start over. Start chain number, row number 2. So just single. Jesus, sorry. You just chain 1, and then in this first space right here, you're going to do your 5 double crochets. So it should be staggered like this. They shouldn't be one on top of the other. So if you're doing them, if you are for some reason doing them like this, then no, it's wrong. Supposed to be like this, staggered, one on each. So it's something went wrong. If you're doing them on top of the other, then something went wrong on the previous row or rows. So again, single crochet here, and then do your 5 double crochets in the next space, and that's it. That is the pattern. So again, the repeat rows 2 to 5, pretty simple, and this is the result. So that's the pattern. Pretty simple. What is it? My little Chihuahua's crying because she wants to get into the office. Okay, so that's the pattern. Feel free to email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.